The way your lips feeling tonight, the way they pressed against mine, the way you pull me closer, closer under the moonlight. This is how it could always be. You and me, more than friends, we could be everything. There's something about you, babe. I'll make you mine. I'll make you
What is up, you guys? It is me, Tanisha, and I am back with another video. Hey, girl. Hey. We have another one, and this one is going to be short and sweet. And I say that because this is definitely a wig where you have to do nothing. And when I say truly almost nothing, when I say minimalist, minimal work, minimal everything, the girls have us covered. This is a LuvMe Hair's Put On and Go Realistic Yaki Glueless Bob Wig with bangs. The bang. The bang. We got the bang. They say she can be used with hot tools, which is what we are going to do today. But get into this Yaki texture. This is the wig straight out of the box. The bangs are cut blunt. The bob is cut blunt. And we have this right here. We got a scalp. We have a scalp that has already been pre-bleached and everything. It's giving scalp from the top. So they won't know it's a wig. Inside, we have this right here. This is how it's constructed on the inside with the minimal amount of lace so that we don't have to do anything with the lace. Nothing. You don't have to bleach these knots. You don't have to do any of that stuff. This is all the lace that we need right here. This right here is to go onto the top of your head. Then as we flip it around to the back, we have a breathable cap so that when it's situations like these, but we need our hair to breathe, we can do that with this. Also have an adjustable band to keep her held securely for us. Not too much on my nails. I still ain't got my nails done, girls. Shame on me. I know. But that's not why we're here. Also, we do have the adjustable bands in the back, as usual, for a typical wig. And we have a comb right here on the sides. And that's all. So, this is to make sure that our wigs are safe and secure. And if you don't want these combs that are on the sides, you can go in and cut them off and not mess up your wig. We already know that LuvMe Hair provides us with wig caps, but I will not be putting one of those on today because I don't need it. I don't want it. I got my scalp and I want my hair to breathe freely. So with putting this wig on, I'm going to go ahead and adjust my straps that are in the back. Adjust my adjustable band. I'm going to flip this wig inside out so that it is easier for me to put on when I get ready to pull everything down. I don't have to struggle and tug with the wig. Adjust this strap as well, my adjustable band. Put it behind my little ponytail. If you don't have a little ponytail and you have just a regular head, adjust that band tight enough so that it does not slip and slide all over your head. And pull it down just like this. If you still kept your combs, put your combs in. Make sure that everything is flat. Pull your front down to where it is comfortable, and you might end up just like this. Now, there are two ways that we can tackle this situation. So, because I'm not with the whole Sia kind of style, I don't want these bangs over my face. I cannot see a single thing with this on. So one thing that you can do if you are scared to cut, oh, see, it's all in my mouth. If you are afraid to cut, the first thing that you can do is slide the wig backward, just like that. And it still gives a nice, cute look. That's way one. As you can see, the back is, like I said, a blunt cut, which we love a blunt a blunt cut is so sexy. You see it, and it is a little bit of shedding. Y'all saw that? That's about all. That's about it. That's all you're gonna get. And that probably was a piece left from the sewing of the wig. But get into how flowy it is. Get into all that. So if you like your wig like this and you're scared to cut, you can leave it just like this and still rock this look here. But me, I don't want my wig sitting up here like this. So I'm going to show you guys another way that you can adjust your bangs. I've done this in another bob video that went completely viral. So I'm going to show you guys a updated version. And because a lot of people can't get the things that I had in that last video, I'm going to show you guys another way that you can do this with things that you probably have in your home right now. Starting off, what I want to do is make sure that the longer portions of my wig are straightened to how I want my wig to look. Everything is laying nice and flat. When you get this wig, you are going to have to do a little TLC. Every wig you get is squished in a box. TLC is important when it comes to your wig. And if you don't know what TLC is, that's tender love and care. You're going to have to provide a little bit. As much as we like to say we don't want to do nothing, you're going to have to do something to get results that you want. So you're always going to have to do some type of care to your wigs when you get them, whether it's shampooing, whether it's cutting something, whether it's just straightening it or recurling it. You're going to have to provide some type of maintenance to your wig when you get it straight out of that box. So now that is all the flat ironing that I had to do to this wig. As you can see to the back, I didn't have to touch anything back there because again, this is still a minimalistic wig. So we don't have to do too much. We're doing minimum work. Little bit. That's it. Now for this bang, the bang. First of all, as you can see, there is one long piece that is coming down. Maybe it can go that way. Yeah. You don't always have to cut every single thing. So this is what I do when it comes to a longer bang. The first thing that I do is I take the bang. As you can see, I'm just going to do it just like this. Take the bang just like this in a triangle kind of shape. For me, you know what? She want to be there. She's getting cut off. Twist it this way so that it gives me sort of a shape. I'll say you can use scissors to do this part, and you're going to go in and just cut down. Now that is the first section. You don't want to go too far up. You just want to see if you're okay or if you can see through it. This is still a little bit too long for me. So to bring it in a little bit more, I'm going to leave these right here. And I'm going to grab just a little bit more right here. And I'm going to do it little by little. So I twist it again, just like this. I see where my eyes are, right in here. Put my finger there and cut it again. Comb it out. Now we see how it's like kind of uneven in there because I was letting it go when I was cutting. So to even this up, because now I have a gauge of where I want my bang to go right in here, I take my scissors and I cut just like this. Just getting in between there, snipping those little pieces off to get it to where I can finally see. I'm going to keep doing that until I can see clearly. I'm sorry, y'all. I know it's loud. I'm going to keep doing that until I can see clearly. You can't see. Oh, uncover my eye. Be careful. Don't cut your fingers, because that is something that is easy to do. So I don't want a straight across bang. That is not the look that I'm going for, because that does not suit my face. It doesn't frame my face very, very well. This bang is not very, very thick. Oops. Also, this bang is not very thick. So another thing that I'm going to do is, because it's still on the thicker side for me, and I still want to move it a little bit out of my face without having to cut it with scissors, I'm going to take an eyebrow razor and I'm going to go up under, and I'm just going to kind of like shave that off. I'm going to do it on both sides so that I get kind of a wispy kind of look in my bangs. Now, again, this is optional. This is not something that you per se have to do. This is just what I do to make my wig suit me and more comfortable for me. You hear that? Me. So you have to do what is comfortable for you and what suits your face. So I think I kind of like that, to be honest. Yeah. So now I'm going to go in with my hot tool. My flat iron. I'm going to go in with my flat iron. I'm going to just bump that a little bit. Not too much. Just a little bit. Using a bigger flat iron, just to bump that just a little bit. Bringing these in to shape my face just a little bit more. And that's it. That's all.
Something about you, babe. I'll make you mine. I'll make you mine. Make you mine. No one else, I'll make you mine. I'll make you mine. 'Cause it's only you, baby. Only you. It's something about you, babe. Something about you, babe. It's something about you, babe.
That is it. That is all you have to do. Not too much. And you don't even have to do that. I did that because I wanted to. Because you see how good this girl looks on me? Chef's kiss. This is, again, LuvMe Hair's Put On and Go Realistic Glueless Yaki Straight Bob Wig with the Bang. This is a lace wig. Is it though? Is it really a lace wig? Anywho, and it is 100% human hair. I did have my flat iron on 450 degrees, and my hair did not burn at all. So you can use a little bit of heat on this girl, not too much, because we don't want to fry her. But you can definitely use heat on the girl. All the information to this wig will be in my description box, which is below. Click more, that box will drop down, and all the wonderful information will be there. Every single last bit of it. This is a 10-inch. I am only 5'4". I'm not a tall girl, rather small. No, I'm not too small. I'm like in between. Anywho, all the information will be in my description box. The links, everything, coupon codes. Make sure you use that coupon code. My coupon code for this week is Tanisha, 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 to get money off. That is it. That is all for this video, and I will see you girls in the next one. Bye.